That's right. Our letter today is I. I makes the sound I. I can't help but smile when I say that sound. I. Let's say it 3 times together. See how happy you look when you say it. I. 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 Even made my eyebrows go up. Let's see if we can write I in the sky. Get your pointy finger ready. I'm going to start at the top, as ever, and I'm going to bring my pencil down, 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 down. Give it a little foot at the bottom. Now take your pencil off and just go above it and bloop, give it a dot. Did you get that? Today, I think we're going to go for an investigation in the city. Have a look around the city and see how many I you can spot. Let's go. Here we are. We're in the city. I love coming here. But today we've got a job. Our investigation, finding every I we can. Here we go. I see it. I. I can see 2 I, 3 I, maybe 4. There are 2 I. Ooh, where shall we go next on our investigation in the city? I wonder. This way looks like a good way. Down the hill. Oh, looks like an I. Can you see that? Oh, a very important part of the city here. There is an I. There's 2 I. Can you spot them? Under the shade this time, an I with a leaf on the top. Oh, I do enjoy coming to the city. Look at the view. Well, I'm going to say goodbye to the city now and head home. Thanks for coming. Bye-bye, city. Home again. Do you know the city is one of my favourite places to be? What else starts with I? Insects. Do you like insects? There are lots of insects around, aren't there? Oh. Hello. Where did you come from? This is an insect. Oh. Goodness. This reminds me of a song I know that starts off with the sound I. If you know it, you can sing it.
Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed poor Incy out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. So Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again.
We're going to have a look at some pictures now. You have to tell me, though, what each picture is. The only clue I'm going to give you is that each picture uses the sound I. This is picture number 1. What is it? Picture number 2. And finally, picture number 3. Did you guess each one? In the first picture, the person is ill. Have you ever felt ill before? This picture is an igloo. And the final picture is an iguana. That's a tricky word to say, iguana. Okay, let's have a go now at writing the letter I. To help us along, I'm going to show you how to make it using Play-Doh first. Let's have a look. Okay, for this part, you'll need your board or paper and you'll need something to write with, a pen or a pencil. By now, you know the drill. You need to get your fingers ready with whichever hand you use to write with. And I'm going to put these bottom two fingers, I'm just going to put them away. They're tucked under there now, look. I'm going to use my thumb and my two fingers at the top here. Here's my pen. I'm going to use these fingers to grip the bottom of the pen. Then I'm going to flick it up so it's just laid in my hand. And I'm using these three fingers, thumb and two fingers then, to hold the end of my pen. Now there are different ways to write the letter I. One of them is so simple. It just starts at the top, never at the bottom. And it goes from top to bottom, pen off, with a dot at the top. That's an easy way. The way that I write my I is to go from the top down to the bottom, but give it a tiny little hook at the bottom and then give it the dot at the top. Can you see that? Now sometimes I see people do an I like this. Doesn't make me feel very well. They go from top to bottom, but then at the top, they do this. No, no, no. It should look like either this one or this one. Let's have a go at sitting it on a line, shall we? Now, I isn't a tall letter, and it doesn't hang below the line either. It's a middle-sized letter, and it just sits on the line. Let's have a go. Top to bottom with the foot, pen off, give it a dot. Top to bottom with the foot, pen off, give it a dot. Top to bottom with the foot, pen off, give it a dot. There's my 3 I. Can you have a go at doing some I sitting on the line? I had a good time learning about the letter I with you today. It made me feel happy saying I. I wonder what sound we'll find out next time. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.